afternoon, everyone. I'm Paulo Larosa, 40 years old, from Iloilo City. I stand for making fitness and wellness. I stand for making fitness and wellness a way of life, because I believe that good body gives us strength to become the best version of ourselves. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right, from one kalbo to another kalbo to another kalbo. Judge Juice.
That's what I like to hear. My question for you is, how often do you shave your head? No, I'm just kidding.
Every day.
Maybe 3 times a week. But my real question is, you wrote here that you want to unleash your Superbod era by fueling your mind and your body for greatness. How do you fuel your mind and body?
I feel great. Having here in Century Tuna callback, it's like a big opportunity for me. So I'm thankful that I'm here, and no matter what happened, I still acknowledge this and thankful for everything that I have on this competition.
Male number 11.